straight to airplane mode. Find something to do, I know I can be utopical. My third eye is going blind. I'm on a line, my body and mind. It's playing tricks, I say I'm fine, but really it's hurting me deep inside.